Yo, what's up, world? What's up, world? What's up, world? It's your boy Brandon's Tattoos, aka Brandon Cole, aka this Nerd Network, man, at Thrill Arts. And y'all checking out more collections to the 3D print. I'm a 3D printing enthusiasm right now, and it's just been going crazy. Like, these printers has just been dropping on me, like, cause people don't have the vision like I do. I guess they get bored of a lot of printers I get been used already. And you know, people that get rid of the print, I didn't get to ask the dude where he was using the print for. But I think he was doing models with this printer. But this right here, Anycubic Mono X6K. I ain't even had a chance to use it yet. I just had to do the review. If you've seen my videos, you know I did an unboxing of the Creality CR30 Beast machine. Yes, a robot, a real deal robot, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. What's the get notifications? Okay. Real beast of a machine. Let me show y'all my printer collection. Anycubic, as you see. I haven't I need some alcohol. That's why I'm not printing. I need some more alcohol. And got a cleaning and curing station. So videos on that guy. That's where the alcohol goes. All that's inside. It's pretty cool. I'm learning about all this cool stuff. This is a paint booth. Pretty cool. With a little, all this from a 3D printing. And to top it off, my light photo booth, which is cool. I love this thing. Yeah. Oh, what y'all see in there? Oh my goodness, what you see in there? What y'all see in there? Oh man, y'all see those 3D printed shoes? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let's show you my FDM printers. Ender. It's the Ender right there. That's baby. I like the Ender. It's really a reliable printer. This Ender is pretty reliable. For it to be its price, it's pretty reliable. If you want me to break down the Ender in a video, leave a comment and I'll tell you about the Ender. The Ender 3. They got a Creality that's the name of the printer brand. Creality. They have a bunch of other printers under their brand, and Ender 3 was one of the most popular printers because of price and the quality. It's beautiful. Then I did some work for this Voxel Lab 3D printer. That printer right there, what can I say about it? I spend more time working out the leveling and all that before I even have time to print. So that's not one of my top printers. It's like the bottom of the list. You got to be knowing everything. You got to know something. I would not jump into the Vox Lab without knowing nothing about 3D printing because it's very complicated. And my baby, the belt, CR30. That's my baby right there. And my filament. Woo-wee. I got tons of my filament. Oh yeah. Oculus, you want to sponsor me? Any company want to sponsor me, I'm down for it. Got this Ender filament. I got all these different filaments to test out. The socket was full. I got something inside of here. What's inside of here? I would like to know what's inside of here. I got different kind of spools. I got to look up these different spools. There's so many different kinds. Most of the spools I have recently just got some TPU. plenty of PLA, and a little ABS. I've been printing for, I've been knowing about 3D printers for over 10 years. And has it been 10 years? I've been 3D printing way back with this baby. This is like my first 3D printer. This was a, which is a XYZ printing. And it came, the filament come in this case like this. You load it in. Which I think there was a bunch of extra plastic. Why they, I don't know why they made their filament holder like this. Because it don't keep moisture out or nothing. It's just a big box. This is when the first printers came out, and it's really complicated with that thing. Damn, I'm getting hungry. But I like to show y'all the resins too, because I'm learning about the resins. I got some red here. This is photopolymer resin, standard. Oh, it's a green. I don't know what these 405 NM. Y'all, if you know what that means, it's a little something in here too. This is, I guess it's green, translucent green. It's clear. Ooh, clear. Ain't enough to do anything with clear, I don't think. There's some clear. Gray. It's a little bit of gray in there. I hope that's enough to print. How much would I need to make a, I guess a plate full of like Army Men? 3D print UV resin. It's coming in tin can. That's pretty unique. Water washable. What's this? Clear, another clear. Is this the same clear? UV tough resin and UV resin clear. Okay, I guess it's two different resins, the tough resin and UV clear. Standard photopolymer resin, translucent. And, well, I think I said that one, the last one. Smoky black resin. New in the pack. All right, so machine, pretty cool. Is it on? Is it? Oh, it's not plugged up. Everything else plugged up. That's plugged up. It's not plugged up. So yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat, and I'm gonna print something soon. Maybe I'll show you guys the software if you want to know about the software. I'll make a video on that. I'll check the comments out. But if you want to see more of these 3D printing, my 3D printing journey, subscribe, like, comment. More 3D printers on the way. 3D print farm, just a whole laboratory of stuff, man. So like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get this stuff out to y'all, man. We're gonna try to take y'all every step of the way of the process and all the learning curves of learning about 3D printing, even hooking up the equipment and setting up and unboxing, you know. So yeah, stay tuned. If you got any questions, leave something in the comment section. I'll read it when I get it and I reply. But other than that, I think that pretty much covered everything for right now. I'm gonna get to work. Like I say, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my other prints from the other shoes I was printing that never finished because trial and error. I'll discuss if you want to know about what happened. Like right here, that's one of the 3D print shoes. It's the bottom of a 3D print shoe. This was done on the Voxel Lab printer. This was done on a Creality CR30. recycling my filament, so I keep all my stuff together. This was the support of the slides, the black ones that came off. This was Creality first print I used, and the quality. Do you see that? That was pretty cool. It's pretty clean too. I made a chain. What else I designed? Oh yeah, I designed. The chain went to this, a necklace piece with a charm with letters, words on it, thrill arts. Yeah, that's about. Oh, and my car. Let me get the car printed. That was on the ender. I had prints for my XYZ printer. I used to print dice and stuff. Printing dice. Where is it? Where is the car? I just seen it. I must have put it up. I just seen the thing. This was the cushion for the shoe support. Pretty soft. Pretty cool. What did I do with the doggone car? I'm gonna show y'all the car real quick. No, I just seen it. Hold on. Did I move it? I don't think I moved it. I'm getting so hungry. I'm gonna put my food in the microwave. Dang, I must have God dang. I must have moved it for real. Anyway, maybe I'll make a video on that. Dang, that came out pretty good quality too. My little race car. What the hell is that? Well, as soon as I get in the video, I'm gonna see it. As soon as I end the video, I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna find it. All right, I'm about to end the video. Cause, dang. I had everything right here, but I had to change my light bulb. My light bulb went out and I went to moving stuff around. I don't know where I set it down at. I moved it out the way. Well, yeah. Unless it's fail, but I don't see no fails or nothing. Alright, well, I'll do another video when I find the car. But it's a little Monte Carlo, El Camino. I'll do a follow-up video. I'm trying to do a follow-up video on all my prints. Dang, I ain't got that one car, man. That car came out clean, though. And I seen it earlier today. I probably put some on top of it. Oh, yeah, this is one of my other prints. My son done messed my letters up. Business card holder. Can't forget that. I did that with the Ender 3. Some more business card holders. Yeah, man, I think I'm about to go ahead and print some more stuff. I'm gonna do a whole video of the process of the shoe making. Like, I got it all on film. I gotta get it, the editing going on. So yeah, y'all wanna see that journey? Like, comment, subscribe to the video dropping soon. I got my tools. I got hella Allen keys. All right, I'm gonna go. This is one of my failed prints boxes. My failed prints. Recycle this stuff. And all that failed print was from one printer. Well, I do have some failed prints on the Creality CR30, but those were mostly my fault because I let the filament get jammed up by having it running too fast on TPU. And that's the thing, you got to work the bugs out with the print speed, with a lot of stuff, a lot of prints, because if it's going too fast, the print won't be able to catch up with the speed it's getting fed, so it's gonna cause a jam, and that's what happened. Other than that, with print and everything else, it's really, especially PLA, it's perfect. Yeah, that's what I've been noticing. I like PLA because it's faster. I can print it fast and won't have no problems. All right, I'm about to warm my food up and end this video. I appreciate y'all made it this far in the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Didn't like that I had to make this a two-part video, but my video had ended, and now I gotta go to my editing software, stitch it together. It's cool. I got my yum yum sauce. Oh, heck yeah, I got my yum yum sauce. Damn, that's gonna be good. I can't wait for that yum yum sauce. Put that yum yum sauce on it. Man, watch when I end the video. I'm gonna find my doggone car. I probably in my dang face. I bet it's in my face because I had to move some things. Oh well. I thought it'd be right there. I didn't even moving stuff out the way. I don't even pay attention where I put it. But yeah, man, that's it for right now. In this little video. I'll come back when I get the rest of. Or I just add the comments. I read the comments and then I make a video based off the comments. But yeah, man, I love 3D printing. It's pretty cool, you know, to make ideas come to life. It's been very pleasurable moments. Hold on, let me let y'all see my other print up close. Why y'all right here? Damn, it's squishy. I gotta do a test. Look at that. Look at it slide. It's real squishy. I need to make it bigger so I can wear it. And then put it back here. Oh well, I'll find it in a little while. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat. I got a whole shebang of colors today too. I can paint my resin prints with. I'll do a video on the colors and everything else in the future. Like I said, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate that. Appreciate all that support. I'm really hoping I can find this thing before I get off the phone. But I don't think I'm having any luck with that department. So, just so I won't have the video too long, and go ahead and end it. And just know I have another print somewhere. A nice print that came out good. I try to keep everything together too. Anyway, all right. Video about to upload in a minute. Let me see how I damn see it. No, that's not it. Yeah, I ain't gonna find it in this video. All right, let me upload it so I can delete this video and save storage on my phone. Cause I've been recording a lot lately. And Apple not playing, man. They be taking their money out. I be buying stream storage. But yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. And that's what it is. All right, y'all. Everybody have a good, blessed evening, morning, or day whenever you see this video. And if you want to know about 3D printing stuff, you know, subscribe to my channel, because I will be talking more about 3D printers. And my channel not built around 3D printing, but I'm gonna have a lot of videos based on around it. With that said, I'm about to eat in this video. How many times I said that? I think I said it a lot of times. I was looking for this car. Forget it. Peace out.